We're getting closer. Now, if you just slammed on the gas and munched this little Mitsubishi between you and your dozer, Sacandaga Lake. We're heading over. The Great Sacandaga. From Edinburgh over towards, doing what, 49, 50, 51 miles an hour. And this guy boogieing with this bulldozer.
You can barely keep up with him.
Yeah.
55, 54.
They dropped the lake down because we got rain coming. Man, that guy's moving. What's that one? That's Glass House Creek Road?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Well, I never knew this area existed.
Oh, yeah. Check out that pole they put anchor up top. Sharp anchor there. That's probably have a rock drill to drill that. Town of Day Park. Okay. Boyvie Road. Check this guy out. Oh, that's a guy. That's a woman.
Staring us down.
Yeah. And there's fair warning. Don't we make a left here, mister? Oh, you don't want to go over the mountain? Paul River Store. Yep. Oh, we had to go around the horn. Let's see out that way. This guy is fearless.
Jeez, I got into the tank. I got gas in my yard.
Yep.
Fuck gallon jugs.
He's boogieing. School bus stop ahead. Ooh.
And he's flying past him.
Yeah. He probably still had time to wave. Wow.
As I'm cleaning my drawers.
There comes another hairpin turn.
Desert Island. With Patrick.
And a bulldozer, too.
An oversized load right in front. The speed limit 45 is just a suggestion. Not really to keep you alive.
At 25 when it was raining.
I can't drive.
35. That guy's, you don't slow down.
He speeds up halfway into the turn.
Yeah. So you get some push.
Yeah.
He's worried about DOT. They're probably scared to death of him. What's the name of this road here? That's Van Allen. Or Min Allen? What's this one? Hollow Road.
Hollow Road.
That one right there is Hollow Road. We're almost there.
Cathan Camps.
That's right. Oh, look at, we got a tanker truck coming, and he's in the wrong side of the road. There he goes. That guy, he is fearless. Ain't no moonshine when she's gone. Ain't no whiskey on the way. So we're like 3 miles away from destination here.
Wow, it's gonna be close.
Nope. What? Because you gotta piss.
It's gonna be close. We're calling this one close.
Yep. I was wondering why the truck was shaking. You're bouncing your feet.
Tapping.
Yeah.
I'm keeping the time.
Yeah. I gotta go to the bathroom too, but not as bad as you. You're drinking these teas, these big things of tea.
Wait, look, there's a guy staring at us.
Yep. Loves that. We're in the home stretch. We're about to go up the Dugway. And the guy is way back there. We're now guiding him. Coming up. There's Rich Rice's house. We've been driving like that for a while. Should have tied them up. We are a class act here. This is going to be some fun machine. Delivery of the bulldozer. Look at those inside tires. Boy, are they rippled. I'd say that's good right there. He gets stuck. We're going to have to pull him out with the bulldozer. Oh, wow. He is good. Disconnects it, pulls forward. That's after he dropped it down. Now we're going to drive it right off. Drive it around. Drive it up. You can see the mobile home up there. Conex boxes are up behind these trees. Right up in there. The Pine Grove Inn. Oh man, it's like a tank! Now that